Hello, today we will be unboxing the amazingly awesome AMD 5900X. Lately, AMD has been dominating this CPU market, and this latest batch of Zen 3 processors is no exception. The 5900X, unlike its predecessor the 3900X, does not actually come with a CPU cooler. For most people that's not going to matter, everyone's using aftermarket coolers, especially in this price bracket of CPUs. Now, I don't know why the box is so big. I think it might have to do with keeping a standard size in the product lineup. But most of the box, as you'll see, is just pretty much empty. You get that pretty standard documentation. There's one important notice that you have to read first. Didn't read it. You also get a very cool little Ryzen 9 sticker. That's a good one to stick on the case or somewhere. And of course you get the CPU. With how good the Ryzen Zen 3s are, you don't need many fancy things to come with a box. You just need this awesome processor to go with your awesome new computer. Thanks so much for watching our video, and we hope you really enjoyed the content. We enjoy making it. And of course, please like and subscribe. It'll mean the world to us. Thanks so much.